What if you could control your car, your home, even your body, just by thinking? Imagine walking in a smart city where everything around you is connected, seamlessly powered by AI, and you could interact with holograms like it's just another day. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you this future is closer than you think? Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge tech shaping tomorrow, from brain-controlled devices to the exoskeletons that'll change how we move, drones that might soon rule the skies, and the augmented reality gadgets that'll make today's world feel outdated. Stick around till the end, because what you see next could completely change how you imagine the future. Imagine waking up in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by nothing but crystal clear water and the sound of gentle waves. That's the idea behind the Pearl Suite, a futuristic floating hotel designed by Pierpaolo Lazzarini. It's like having your own private island, but instead of sand, you get a sleek modern pod that floats on the water. Each suite is about 7 meters in diameter, with a cozy 22 square meter interior that includes a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and a retractable roof that lets you stargaze at night. It's powered mostly by solar energy, with the option for hydrogen fuel cell backup. And get this, it's not just a floating room, it actually moves. There's a built-in electric propulsion system that can cruise at 5 knots, plus GPS and autopilot so it can self-position. The whole idea is to give beach resorts an easy way to expand without building on land, so we might start seeing these suites smash that like button, just like you should if you haven't done so already. But no, in all seriousness, we might start seeing these suites pop up in tropical destinations soon. Other things being completely revolutionized right now are the flying vessels by Lazzarini. The Jet Capsule is a futuristic, compact watercraft that combines the luxury of a yacht with the speed of a jet ski. It features a sleek fiberglass shell and panoramic windows, reaching speeds of up to 35 knots with a hydrojet propulsion system. Customizable for private use, water taxis, or emergency services, it's perfect for both open waters and tight city canals. It's a high-tech, versatile vessel with a futuristic edge. But nothing says futuristic like a solar-powered EV. The Aptera is a solar-powered, ultra-efficient, 3-wheeled EV designed by a California startup. With solar panels providing up to 40 miles of range daily, it's perfect for sunny areas. The vehicle offers range from 250 to 1,000 miles per full charge, with the launch edition hitting 400 miles. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, and it's priced at $40,000. Over 50,000 reservations have already been made for deliveries by late 2025. So Tesla, you finally got competition. Sky cruises are futuristic flying hotels designed to stay airborne indefinitely using nuclear power and AI automation. The concept, like Hashem Al-Ghaili's viral Sky Cruise, envisions luxury experiences with restaurants, shopping, and turbulence-free flights. While currently just an idea, advancements in nuclear aviation and AI could make them real. Initially, for the wealthy, costs may drop over time. Safety, regulations, and development costs are major hurdles, but future technology might make sky cruises widely accessible. The Flowspace Pod is a Microsoft concept designed for hybrid workspaces, offering privacy and focus with retractable side panels. Inside, it features a minimalist desk, an adjustable screen, and ambient lighting. Its ergonomic design promotes productivity and comfort, and it won a Red Dot Award for innovation. In the future, we'll also be seeing more of the Mango solar power supplies. As sustainable living gains traction, systems like Mango Power M will become more common in homes. These all-in-one solutions, combining solar power, battery storage, and EV charging, will make homes more energy efficient and self-sufficient. As solar tech becomes cheaper and battery storage improves, more homeowners will adopt these systems, especially in areas with power issues or those aiming for energy independence. In the future, homes could easily produce, store, and manage their energy needs. Speaking of electric power, the Huntress is an exciting electric off-road vehicle concept that could revolutionize how we tackle rough terrain. Its independent suspension system lets each wheel move on its own, adapting easily to bumps and rocks. Plus, the rotating front wheels and headlights improve visibility in tough conditions. While still a concept, as electric mobility grows, vehicles like the Huntress could make off-roading more accessible, efficient, and eco-friendly. In the future, Alexa could evolve into a home helper robot by integrating robotics, AI, and advanced mobility. Imagine it becoming a physical robot that moves around your home, assisting with tasks like cleaning, cooking, and reminding you of appointments. Alexa would learn your routines, adapt to family preferences, and control smart home devices. With face and voice recognition, it could even help with elder care and handle emergencies, offering a truly hands-free home experience. Another helper changing the world of tomorrow will be the food printers. In the future, 3D printers for food could be common in kitchens. These printers will let you print meals like pizzas or desserts with just the right ingredients. As technology improves, they'll become more affordable and easy to use. You could print customized, nutritious meals based on your preferences, cutting down on waste. Plus, they'll help create healthier meals with alternative proteins. Food printers might soon become as essential in homes as microwaves or ovens. To improve our health in the future, shoes will be completely redesigned. To improve our health and exercise, the Cryptide Sneaker is a unique, fully 3D printed shoe designed by Stephen Henry, made with flexible Syntratech TPE elastomer. Inspired by mythical creatures like Bigfoot, it leaves distinctive footprints. It won Footwear Brand of the Year in 2023, recognized for its sustainability and innovative design. Speaking of innovative design, Ekso Bionics is leading the way with exoskeletons to help people with disabilities regain mobility. In the future, these devices will be lighter, more affordable, and widely used in rehab or daily life. With continued advances, they could become essential for improving independence and quality of life. Speaking of wearable tech, Ekto One is a mixed reality exoskeleton that enhances AR experiences by allowing users to walk and interact naturally in virtual environments. As AR grows, we'll see more devices like this, making virtual experiences more immersive. They'll be essential for industries like education, training, and entertainment. To improve the AR spectrum, we will be seeing more AR tech in the future. In the future, augmented reality, AR, will transform daily life, enhancing everything from shopping to education. A great example is Microsoft HoloLens 2, which lets users interact with 3D holograms. As AR evolves, it'll become more accessible and integrated into gadgets like smart glasses, reshaping industries. In the near future, smart cities will use IoT, AI, and data to optimize everything, from traffic to energy. For example, in Seongdo, South Korea, smart buildings adjust lighting and heating, and AI traffic reduces congestion. These cities will make life more efficient, sustainable, and convenient. In the future, smartphones and wearables will become more advanced and connected. Phones might fold or roll into larger screens, while wearables will track health in real time, like monitoring blood sugar or stress levels. AI and AR will make these devices even smarter, automating tasks and predicting your needs. And to control all of these high-tech gadgets we'll be surrounded with, we will be using BCIs. Brain-computer interfaces will let us control tech directly with our thoughts, speeding up interactions. For example, Neuralink aims to help people control devices or prosthetics with their minds. As BCIs advance, we can control drones, computers, and more instantly, making life way easier. But besides all of these good intentions, there will also be some extremely dangerous warbots. The use of drones in warfare will grow as they become smaller, more autonomous, and harder to detect. An example is the Black Hornet Nano drone, a tiny drone used for reconnaissance. As drone technology advances, these small, versatile units will play an increasing role in intelligence and precision operations. In the future, robots will be essential in warfare, performing tasks like reconnaissance, logistics, and combat without risking human lives. For example, the PackBot by iRobot is already used for bomb disposal and surveillance. As technology advances, robots will play an increasingly vital role in military operations. Autonomous driving tanks, like the Russian Urian 9, will revolutionize warfare by performing tasks like reconnaissance and combat without human crews. These AI-driven vehicles will improve efficiency, reduce casualties, and enhance battlefield strategies. As technology advances, they'll become crucial in modern military operations, working alongside manned units for superior tactics. Pilotless fighter jets like the XQ-58A Valkyrie will become common in a few years, using AI and autonomous systems for missions like reconnaissance and strikes. These jets will increase efficiency, reduce human risk, and work alongside manned jets. Their advanced capabilities will redefine air combat and military strategy. Here's another video AI enthusiasts loved watching. This is AI Exposed, demystifying the world of artificial intelligence, one video at a time.